Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla Jukic and today I am doing a full reset post-vacation. If you've been following along, I have done a lot of traveling the last month and a half. I was gone for 12 days at the end of December, beginning of January, and then I was away for the last week of January, first week of February. If I were to count the days, I think I was actually away more days in January than I was at home. So now that I am home and done traveling for a while, I definitely need a reset on my life and just getting back into my routine. I have zero groceries in my house, so as you can see, I'm eating the most boring, saddest bowl of oats ever. It is literally just one pack of Quaker oats. I believe it is the high protein brown sugar and water. That's it. I don't have protein powder. I don't have fruit. I literally have nothing except for one kiwi that I left in my fridge and somehow it's still good. So I cut that up and I'm just having this as my breakfast. Definitely not sufficient enough, but I have to go get groceries today, which I will take you guys along with me for. My husband and I actually got back yesterday. It was like 1 a.m. My brother-in-law picked us up from the Toronto airport and we ended up staying at my in-laws' house just because we were so tired. We live about 30 minutes away and we just didn't want to drive home. We wanted to sleep. We slept in until about 10:30, which was much needed. I was so exhausted. I always feel like I need a vacation from my vacation. And then when we got home, I actually did a lot already. I did all of my laundry. I just need to put it away, so I was happy about that. Today is Monday, and I just wanted to get as much done yesterday as I could, just because it's a new work week now. I'm back to work, so I have to be on top of these things, but I still have a lot to do, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Kobe stayed with my in-laws while we were gone, and he got a haircut. Look how cute he is. You got a haircut, huh, buddy? He looks so cute, and honestly, his fur feels so nice. And I think he's tired from being at my in-laws because they have two dogs also, Bentley and Cooper. Yeah, you love them. You love them. And he was with them all week, so he was sleeping pretty much all day yesterday. So before I left for my trip, I had a bunch of dishes to do, so I just put them in my dishwasher and I ran it. So these clean dishes have literally been sitting here for over a week, so I need to put them away. Dishes are done and now we're moving on to this laundry. So I put this out yesterday. We had 3 loads of laundry to do. This is all the stuff that I couldn't put in a dryer. So I had it hang dry overnight and it's all dry, so I'm gonna put it away. I believe I also still have something in my dryer there, but I'm gonna have to double check, so let's go. Laundry's done, dishes are done. Now I need to go grocery shopping because I have absolutely nothing in my house. I just made a list of everything that I need in my notes and it feels kind of short. I don't know why, but I also have a really bad habit. When I go grocery shopping, I have a list and I end up leaving with more than my list. But I really have made it a goal, especially this year. I really want to start saving money on food because I spend so much money, like $100 to $150 a week just for Alan and I just got to my first grocery stop and I save first because I guess you can say I'm a little bit picky, but I feel like I'm not, honestly. I like buying certain things at certain stores. So for example, we live right beside a Walmart, which is a very affordable grocery shop place, but there's only certain things I like buying there, especially like pantry stuff because it's the cheapest there. I'm not a huge fan of buying like fruits and vegetables and honestly sometimes meat from Walmart. I definitely feel like it's hit or miss. I prefer actually buying my fruits, vegetables, and meat from Longo's. Now, if you live in Ontario and you've shopped at a Longo's before, you probably know it is a little bit more expensive. That's why I don't like buying everything from here. But the fruit is always fresh. The meat is always fresh. Especially I find like chicken at Walmart, it's good. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's definitely a lot more fattier than I can buy at like Longo's, and I just prefer it to be more lean. On to my second stop, Walmart.
Walmart.
I am home now from grocery shopping and I'm gonna do a quick little grocery haul of everything I picked up. I have so much work to do to catch up on. Both stops was a total of $150, but a lot of the stuff that I bought is expensive, like cheeses and that kind of stuff, so I figured. First thing I bought was Villaggio toast bread. My husband loves this bread. It's his favorite. All dressed ruffled chips. These are getting so expensive. This bag was like $3.50 at Walmart. That's insane. I'm literally going to start buying bags of chips at the dollar store because you can get this exact size for like $2. Next thing I got is mini tortilla wraps. I love these for tacos and that kind of stuff. Everything bagels from Dempster's. I actually prefer getting my bagels from Longo's. They make them fresh, but they only had cinnamon and blueberry and I don't want those flavors, so I ended up buying these ones from Walmart. I got 2 packs of turkey slices, marble cheese, which is so expensive. This was $8. And then I needed freezer bags, so I picked that up. I also needed Parmesan cheese. I ran out before we left. I bought a Bueno bar for my husband and reduced fat croissants. These are from Pillsbury. These are so good. We like putting like Nutella in them, jam, hot dogs, whatever it is. We needed sour cream. I got the lactose one because my husband's lactose. Chicken strips and a mushroom pizza. Moving into this bag, this is all the stuff I got from Longo's. So I bought 2 steaks and I bought skinless, boneless chicken thighs, which I think I'm gonna make today for dinner and meal prep. Bananas, blueberries, strawberries. I bought a carrot muffin, which I'm gonna actually eat now. A lemon, and a can of peas and carrots, which I'm gonna mix in with my meal prep for lunches. My favorite salad ever, which is sweet kale. I'm gonna have this with dinners. So good. Mini yellow potatoes, 4 kiwis, Liberté Greek yogurt. It was on sale 2 for $7, so I got 2. Cinnamon Eggos, and last but not least, I bought croissants from Longo's. These are so good to snack on, and I like putting the turkey slices in them and just having them as a quick snack, especially before the gym. I need to put this all away, and then I gotta get some work done, so I'll catch you guys later. I just got to my lash girl's house and honestly I'm in a bit of a rush because I am 1 minute early, so I just literally don't have time to talk or do anything. But I'm getting my lashes done finally from my trip. This eye, I don't know if you guys can see, it got destroyed on my trip. Literally all of my lashes fell out just from like the sun, the heat, sweating, putting lots of makeup on at nighttime and that kind of stuff. And it's definitely part of my reset because I love just having the lashes. It makes me feel really put together, and when I'm home, I don't usually wear a lot of makeup. I was just wearing makeup on the trip like every night for dinner. I'm getting classic lashes, which is just this single individual one, so it's gonna look super natural. You guys are gonna see it in a second. Lashes are done. See how nice and natural they look? Honestly, I love it so much. It looks like I'm literally just wearing mascara, which I love. My friggin' left eye was watering so much. It's so annoying. I don't know what's wrong with this eye. Home now, and I'm going to go to the gym finally for the first time in so long. One thing I should mention, look how organized this is. When we got back on Sunday, I literally cleaned all of this out, all of this out, this drawer also, because it was just a mess and I wanted to be more organized. So here we are. I'm going to be doing back and biceps, and honestly I want to show off my tan, so I'm going to wear these shorts from Honor Active, and I just need a bra. I think honestly I'm just going to wear a black one, probably this one, just to match it. And then lastly, do I want crew socks? Maybe I'll wear the black ones. Okay, now we're good. Damn, look how tanned I am. I'm so happy. This is my outfit. Love it. Just wearing black socks, and I'm gonna wear my Panda Nike Dunks that I got for my birthday. They're so cute. I love them so stinking much. I'm gonna quickly make my intra workout drink for my workout. So you guys have seen this a million times. I just mix water with 1 scoop of creatine, and usually I do EAAs, but I'm out of them, so I'm using this Women's Best Amino Energy. This is the watermelon flavor. I'm honestly so excited to get back to the gym. I can't remember if I said this or not, but I only worked out once last week while I was away, so I am ready to get back into it. The past like month and a half has been crazy. My schedule has been everywhere with all of the traveling plus the holidays and stuff like that. So I know I am going to feel this workout. I'm definitely gonna go a lot lighter. I'm probably only gonna do like 4 or 5 exercises, and I'm definitely not gonna use the same weight. After my last trip, I did a leg day and I was sore. I'm not even shitting you. I think it was like 4 days, maybe even 5 days. I literally could not walk. It was like I was a grandma trying to use the washroom, sitting, getting up. Oh my god, it was just honestly terrible. I also only have one more scoop of creatine left. I'm running out of everything. I definitely don't want to feel that badly again, so we're gonna go a little bit later this week and honestly just work our way back into a routine. This week for sure, and possibly next week, I'm gonna see how I feel. I'm gonna kind of just play it by ear and do what I feel and what I want, and then I'm gonna put myself back on a workout program once I get back into a routine. I didn't go to the gym yesterday. I wanted to, but I was still pretty tired, and honestly, I was just thinking to myself, Kayla, you've been doing so much traveling and stuff. It's been a lot on your body. Just take some rest and listen to your body. So that's what I did yesterday. So I've been home for 2 days and this is the first time I'm going to the gym, so I'm very excited about that. I miss my gym so much. Back in biceps, my favorite day.